everyone, today is Sunday, tapos ng day off ng mga kunyang, so it's back to reality and mag-real talk tayo. Okay, what happened today is that I supposed to go to church in the morning, but then, dahil hindi nagising si Cheche ng maaga, mabuti na lang mayroong Tagalog Mass in the afternoon, so sa hapon ako nagsimba. Yes, nagsimba po ako. Lord, nakapagsimba ako. And bakit ako hindi nagising ng maaga? As usual, dahil kay Netflix. Okay, ano yung pinanood ko? It's a K-drama series called Life. It was released last 2018 pa. And it was starring yung main cast na is actor Lee Dong-wook. Okay. Why did I watch this? Kasi a few days back, while scrolling sa Instagram, may nabasa, may napanood akong short clip na interview niya na after doing this series, na-depress siya. So I was wondering, bakit siya na-depressed? He said because of negative feedbacks or negative reviews about this series. So, ang naisip ko, sige nga, panoorin ko ngayon, I will give my own review. So, nung napanood ko yung interview niya, na-curious ako, what is life? Ano ba yung drama series na yun na bakit, why it made him depressed? Kasi diba, to be depressed, parang dapat nasa highest level yung stress mo, yung anxiety, yung grabe ba yung atake ng mga tao sa kanya, so, or not directly to him, but to the series itself. So I decided to watch it this week. Yeah, tinapos ko lahat ng 16 episodes para makapagbigay ng sarili kong opinion about it. For me, my opinion, the story was good. It is well written. Actors and actresses are great. They deliver their roles perfect. For me, ang hindi maganda siguro is that there's no answer dun sa mystery about the hospital director. Kumbaga, they left us hanging and thinking and guessing the real truth behind his death, issue about the hospital, ganun. So, well, some writers would do that, diba? Kasi, minsan, kaya nila hinahang yun at the end because they are planning to do season 2, season 3, ganun naman yun usually. But this, wala na siyang other season. But, totally I like it. Gusto ko yung flow ng story. So, yun na nga guys, natapos ko na yung lahat ng 16 episodes ng K-drama series na Life. And it was good. I like the story. Doon ako mas na-concern sa depression happened after that. I don't know what really happened then. But, really alarming. Especially these days, after the pandemic and everything happened. So, yun na nga. Like, actor Lee Dong-wook. Nung napanood ko yung interview niya, how he became depressed. Parang nag-flashback sa akin yung mga times na it happened to me as well. That time na yung mga criticism ng tao, cyberbullying, talking ill about you, na hindi mo naman kilala because they want to write bad things about you. It's really depressing. At kapag hindi na natin nakayanan, hindi na natin handle yung stress level, hindi na natin siya kayang kontrolin, then bad things happen. Na sana pwede pang maagapan kung we open up. We find someone na trusted, na makausap. Not to give us advice, but at least to listen. So, me as tumaan din sa depression. So, whenever you feel depressed, lonely, sad, it is important that you surround yourself with people you trust. People that you can share how you feel or what's on your mind, because it helps to open up to these people. Do not keep it in yourself. Kasi, when you keep it by yourself, hindi mo talaga kakayanin. And I'm not saying na baka dumating yung time na you just want to end your life. Kasi if there are trials, there's always a solution. I always believe in that. Hindi tayo bibigyan ng pagsubok or hindi tayo bibigyan ng trials ng Diyos if we cannot overcome, kung hindi natin siya masosolusyonan. So, never ever think about ending your life over something na na-criticize ka man, na-bully, napagsabihan ka na whatsoever that makes you depressed. Everything shall pass. Just keep moving on. Keep doing good and live your life. Well, for today's video, guys, ciao.